Moreno Valley. Insurance should be affordable. Get the right insurance by calling or texting 951-243-2800. What discounts could you get? Good driver, multi-vehicle, multi-policy, good student. Everybody loves to save money, from corporate CEOs to retired folks. Call text 951-243-2800. Don't get lost in the maze. Just one call gets you on the path to saving on your car insurance. Why call Prism Insurance Agency? We shop dozens of insurance carriers for you. We offer all the coverage options you could want. We make sure to keep it within your budget. One call handles it all. Don't look anywhere else. You can get back on the road of insurance affordability in just a few minutes. Text us your driver's license and registration and we will do the rest. 951-243-2800. What about tickets and accidents? No problem. We can insure any driver with any car. The process is still just as simple. We pull your driving record to ensure the best pricing possible. What do I need to get started? Driver's license details, automobile details, coverage desired, and that's it. With it we can get to work on saving you money. Gas is expensive. Insurance doesn't have to be. 951-243-2800. Start saving money on your car insurance today.